welcome to Yoga with Avis. I'm really happy you're here. So in my own practice, I've had some difficulty of getting into a studio because I don't know what the hell these teachers are saying. So I want to break it down for you a little bit. Today we're going to start with Sun A. This is typically how most vinyasa classes will start. It's opening up the body, warming up the spine. So first we're going to start in downward facing dog. Now here in down dog, you want to have a lot of your weight in the palms, mostly in your thumb and your pointer fingers. You can lift the rest of your fingers off the mat. That's where the weight's going to fall. And then the action is to get your heels towards the mat. If they don't reach, that's okay. We got to warm up a little bit. So usually when you get into down dog, you want to pedal out your feet, move from side to side, get a little comfortable here. And then come into the breath. So in down dog, you want to have a straight spine, hips and glutes going towards the ceiling. To help get in here, you can bend your knees a little bit, take a deep breath in, exhale, put it to the sky. All right, so in Sun A, we're gonna step or walk our feet to our hands. On the exhale, you're gonna inhale, halfway lift. Your spine is gonna be straight here, so flat back. Whether your hands are on the mat or on your shins, you just want a straight movement here from the spine. So on the inhale, we flat back, exhale, fold. Bend the knees. You want your chest and body to be hitting the thighs here. Get comfortable and let go of the neck and shoulders. So inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, arms sweep out high. Meet at the top, exhale, hands to heart center. I like to start my classes with setting an intention. I like to do this at the beginning so you can set the intention for your practice. How would you like to guide yourself? If I'm feeling weak or not very able, I like to play a mantra of I am strong. That's what works for me. So take a deep breath in, exhale. Inhale, arms sweep high, exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, chaturanga. So chaturanga is really high to low plank. So plant your hands, step back in high plank. You want to make sure your shoulders are past your wrists. So this is your high plank, high to low. Hold your elbows in. Shoulders past the wrists still here. And then for up dog, you're going to push into your hands and come onto the tops of your toes. Feel the stretch in your stomach here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. You're going to hinge at the hips. Watch the movement here. And then flip your feet back over. Again, your weight is in the palms, in the thumbs, and the pointer fingers. And you can bend your knees, get comfortable. So this is Sun A. Now we're gonna move through it, put it all together. So you can either step or hop your feet to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, mountain. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, we're just gonna do it one more time. Step your feet to the hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. And that's how you do Sun A. Thanks guys for joining me.